Hey friends, no drama, no fake hype, just real talk. Today, I'm breaking down this beast of a car with pure facts, crazy features, and no silly talks. Let's dive right in. This is what billionaires choose when they want to relax on the road. So buckle up, because in this video, I'm going to show you every rich detail, every smart feature, and every reason why the Mercedes Maybach S680 isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle. There are so much to say with Mercedes Maybach S680, but we'll talk mostly only some hidden features which is unknown to the car owners. I will talk about finger scanner, car-to-X communication, MBUX Interior Assistant, Urban Guard Protection Plus, Burmester 4D sound system, and many more. But first starts with its interior, exterior, and known features. This car has a V12 petrol engine. That's 12 powerful cylinders. It gives you 612 horsepower and goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.5 seconds. Yes, it's super fast, but also super smooth. Let's start with the exterior, because the Maybach S680 is a rolling work of art. This two-tone paint, obsidian black over Mojave silver, is hand-applied in Mercedes' manufacturer workshop, taking days to perfect. This chrome Maybach grille, it's not just iconic, it's illuminated, making sure everyone knows you've arrived. I spent 5 minutes just staring at this grille. I think it's trying to hypnotize me into buying one. These digital LED headlights can project warnings onto the road, and the adaptive high beams adjust in milliseconds to avoid dazzling other drivers. The digital light system uses 1.3 million micromirrors per headlight to create precise lighting patterns.
Check out these flush door handles. They pop out like magic when you get close, thanks to the keyless entry system. And the proportions? This car is 5.47 meters long, longer than most SUVs, with a stretched wheelbase for maximum rear seat comfort. The 20-inch Maybach wheels, with their intricate multi-spoke design, scream exclusivity. You can even opt for 21-inch forged rims if you want to flex harder. The S680's exterior isn't just about looks. It's packed with tech. The aerodynamic design gives it a drag coefficient of just 0.25, making it slip through the air like a jet. The outside is stunning, but the real magic happens inside. Let's explore the interior. This isn't just a car. It's what billionaires call home on wheels. Let's go inside the three-core Mercedes Maybach S680 and see why over 27 million people can't stop watching this masterpiece. This rear cabin is basically a 5-star hotel suite. The executive seats recline up to 43.5 degrees, with ottomans for your feet, heating, ventilation, and 10 different massage programs. The Napa leather is softer than my favorite couch, and this herringbone wood trim, it's handcrafted, because of course it is. Check this out, a refrigerated compartment for your drinks, complete with Maybach branded champagne flutes. The folding tables let you work or dine on the go, and the 64-color ambient lighting lets you set any mood. Want a sunset vibe? Done. A cool blue glow? Easy. The star-like headliner makes you feel like you're under a night sky. And these 11.6-inch rear screens let you stream, work, or control the car's features. The noise insulation is so good, it's quieter than a library. Mercedes uses 300 pounds of soundproofing material. The panoramic sunroof has adjustable opacity, so you can let in light or keep it private. And the Burmester 4D audio system? It's got 31 speakers, 1770 watts, and seat-integrated exciters that make you feel the music. The S680 practically drives itself. The Level 2 Plus autonomous system handles steering, braking, and acceleration in traffic, with 360-degree cameras and radar keeping you safe. The rear-wheel steering cuts the turning radius by 2 meters, so this 5.47-meter limo handles like a compact car. And the e-active body control? It scans the road 1,000 times a second to smooth out bumps. I just drove over a pothole and it felt like gliding on air. Under the hood, this car has a V12 petrol engine. That's 12 powerful cylinders. It gives you 612 horsepower and goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.5 seconds. Yes, it's super fast, but also super smooth. The 48-volt mild hybrid system adds efficiency, and the all-wheel drive keeps you planted. Safety tech includes 10 airbags, adaptive cruise control, and a pre-safe system that tightens seatbelts if a crash is imminent. Oh, and the MBUX voice assistant understands 27 languages and learns your habits. It's basically my new best friend. Now let's talk about the main hidden features of the Mercedes Maybach S680, which most of the car owner does not know. Number 1. Car-to-X communication. The Car-to-X communication system, a feature that literally lets your car talk to the road and the world around it. Car-to-X communication is Mercedes-Benz advanced warning system. Think of it as your car being part of a connected network, where it can receive and send information to other vehicles, infrastructure, and cloud systems in real time. The goal? Increased safety, comfort, and awareness on the road, even before you see any danger with your eyes. Next feature is power closing doors with gesture control. In a Maybach, even the simple act of opening and closing a door is transformed into a seamless experience. All 4 doors of the S680 come with electromechanical power operation, meaning they open and close softly, automatically, and with minimal physical effort. But that's just the beginning. With gesture control, you don't need to lift a finger, literally. The MBUX Interior Assistant detects specific hand gestures using a 3D camera system located above the front seats. If a door is open, a simple wave of your hand, inward or downward, is enough for the system to recognize your intent and gently close the door. This system works whether you're in the front or the back seat. It's especially helpful for rear passengers. Imagine being chauffeured and simply waving to close your door. That's true VIP treatment. You're not limited to just gestures. Mercedes Maybach gives you multiple options to close the door effortlessly. Tap a button on the door armrest, use the MBUX central touchscreen, give a voice command, or use the gesture control system. Whichever method you choose, the system ensures a whisper-quiet, soft close action every time.
Next is MBUX Interior Assistant feature. MBUX Interior Assistant is an advanced feature of Mercedes-Benz MBUX system. It uses infrared cameras and motion sensors inside the car to detect your body movements and hand gestures, and then automatically performs certain actions without you needing to touch any buttons or screens. If you reach into the glove box or passenger seat at night, the appropriate ambient light turns on automatically. It recognizes who is sitting where and customizes the climate control, seat position, and infotainment settings based on that. Next feature is Fregrance System. The Fregrance System, also called the Air Balance Package, is a luxury feature that allows your Maybach to fill the cabin with a personalized scent of your choice. It works like a built-in perfume diffuser that spreads a fine mist of fragrance through the car's air vents. It's not just about making the car smell nice. It's about creating a luxurious, refreshing atmosphere every time you enter the vehicle. Inside the glove box is a special fragrance bottle designed by Mercedes-Benz. You can choose from a range of high-quality scents like Freeside Mood, Nightlife Mood, Downtown Mood, etc. Next feature is Urban Guard Protection Plus. Urban Guard Protection Plus is a comprehensive vehicle security system offered by Mercedes-Benz. It protects your Maybach against theft, break-ins, towing, and unauthorized access, even when you're far away from the car. It includes advanced sensors, alarm systems, and real-time GPS tracking, giving you full control and awareness through your Mercedes Me app. Think of it as your car's 24/7 security guard, silent but alert at all times. It has anti-theft alarm system which gives alerts if someone breaks a window, tries to open doors or move the vehicle. Then it has stolen vehicle tracker, which is like if the car is stolen, you can track it in real time via the Mercedes Me app. Then it has anti-tow sensor, which is to warn you if someone tries to tow the car away without authorization. Alright fam, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed hanging out or found this discussion interesting, please give it a like. It helps us reach more amazing people like you. I always love connecting with you guys, so let me know in the comments what you thought of today's topic. Your comments mean the world to me and really help shape future videos. And if you haven't joined the Future Car 369 family yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right now and become part of our growing community. Don't forget the bell icon so you're always in the loop. Appreciate you all, and I'll catch you next time.